Okay guys, today is pre-boards 1. Ako naman, pre-boards 1 ko na. Ayun, so tingnan natin kung ano yung mararamdaman ko after the exam. Pero ayun, back to uniform. Back to duty uniform. Okay guys, tapos na kami sa pre-boards 1. Yeah.
And if we come pa 9 parts.
Wow. Ha?
Not too foreign, di ba? Okay, good, yeah. 7.5 out of 10.
No, 8.
8.5. Okay. Bye.
Okay,
See you next food. Ganun siya, oh.
Next, Pani Puri. Oh yeah. Mga 6.
5 over 10. 6.5. Okay, let's go.
Okay,
I don't
next.
like...
Abo yan. May proof. Oo, sige. Okay.
Accountancy.
Accountancy. Okay!
Hindi po ba kayong picturean?
Pwede. Siyempre, nanalo kami.
Oh my gosh!
Hello guys, so I'm finally back sa dorm and kakatapos ko lang mag-shower. Kailangan ko lang mag-debrief mag-isa sa pre-boards 1. I feel like ang dami kong hindi alam. Feeling ko yun. Sorry kung makalat, pero yan. Feeling ko ang dami kong hindi alam sa sa PNLE. Ganon. Yung mga sakit na mention, yung mga concepts, alam ko yun. Like alam yun talaga. Alam yun ang karamihan, di lang pero basta yung tanungan, yung ibang level yung tanungan sa pre-boards 1. Ultimately, I will take tonight and siguro most of tomorrow as rest from pre-boards 1. Tapos Monday may pasok ulit. Ayun. So that's where we're at right now with pre-boards 1 and with preparation sa PNLE. Okay, hello, good morning guys. So today is pre-boards 2. Kagabi parang I planned sana na magbasa, habol ng backlogs, ganyan. Pero hindi na talaga kaya. So I had to make the decision of choosing to rest instead of parang grinding last night tapos ngayon ay pagod ganun, or parang kulang sa tulog ganun. I mean, kulang pa rin naman ako sa tulog ngayon. Pero it wouldn't be this is better than actually staying up. Tapos may tinutulog ako siguro for 1 hour lang or 2 hours, like that's against being a human ganon. Ang mindset ko lang dito is at least I've had a good start with pre-boards 1. I did better than what I've expected myself. So, ganun lang din ulit for pre-boards 2. Ayun. Pero trust na after this, seryoso na. Ayun, yun lang.